In this lesson, you will learn about Mongoose, which is the most popular object document mapper, or ODM for short, for MongoDB and Node.js. Mongoose provides features like schema validation, pseudo-joins, and numerous other features on top of the MongoDB Node.js driver. These features are key for web development. Mongoose's API consists of 4 primary data types. A schema is a set of rules that defines what fields a document may have and what properties the document must satisfy to be considered valid. A connection is an object representing one or more sockets that are connected to the MongoDB server. At a high level, a model is a combination of a schema and a connection. A model is a wrapper around a single MongoDB collection and uses its associated schema to make sure documents inserted into the collection satisfy the schema's constraints. Now, a Mongoose document can be thought of as an instantiation of a model. A document is a single object from a collection. It has an associated model and a .save function that you can use to persist the document to MongoDB. Suppose you wanted your user documents to have 3 fields: a name, an email address, and the number of times the user has logged in. This is how you would express these requirements in Mongoose. The username is a string and is required. Email is of type string, also required and must match this particular regular expression. And the logged in count is a number that defaults to 0. Also, the user's email has this lowercase property. This tells Mongoose to convert the email string to lowercase before saving, which enables emails to be case insensitive. In order to use this schema, you first need to make Mongoose connect to MongoDB. This mongoose.connect function is the most concise way to make Mongoose connect to this MongoD server. Once you have called connect, you can then use the mongoose.model function to create a user model from the schema and collection. The user model has several nice properties. For instance, you can use the user model to create a new user document with name John Smith and email john@smith.io, and then you can save the document. The user model also has this handy .find function, which wraps the MongoDB Node.js driver's find function. Note that the callback to find takes an array of Mongoose documents. Now once you run this script, you should see that Mongoose creates this new user, saves it to the database, and then successfully queries for the user document again and prints it to the screen. And now once you run this script, you see that Mongoose inserted the John Smith document for you, as well as set the logged in count to 0 by default.